going to be making a holiday soap today, and this one I've made before, but I'm doing a little bit of a change with how I'm making it and also the fragrances I'm going to be using. This is my Heart Too Small soap, so if you can tell by the neon green color and the red heart what that's going to be. And I have a fun sleigh stamp that I'm going to be like a Santa sleigh stamp that I'm going to be using, and then filling that in with a really pretty gold mica. So this time I'm going to be using my vertical column molds, and I've got my heart. This is a glycerin soap heart that I've already made, and then I poured just a little bit of glycerin soap in the bottom to not only seal it up but also have that in place. So I've got 2 of these ready to go. And the fragrances I'm going to be using, it's going to be a really nice mix of cranberry, pomegranate, grapefruit, raspberry, jasmine, pear, vanilla, and cinnamon. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm actually combining 2 different fragrances. They're both amazing. The problem is one of them accelerates like crazy. The other one behaves beautifully. So I'm really hoping that by combining them, it'll slow down that fast one just a tiny bit. With that, I'm going to go ahead and do it in 2 stages because I don't want to put all the fragrance in here and then it accelerates on me too fast. So I'm hoping that once I separate in half, that I can do 1 batch at a time, get it poured, see how it behaves, and if I need to make some adjustments at all, then I will do that then. Sometimes if you add a little bit of oil to the fragrance, it can help slow it down a little bit. So we'll see what happens with that. So I went ahead, I actually have 3 different colors of green in here. The fragrance that causes issues does cause some, it also colors tan. I was going to say acceleration, but I already said that. It does discolor a little bit of tan. So I used 3 different colors. I've got a really bright, kind of a grass green, I have a lime green, and then I have a neon green. So I have found that sometimes with those discoloring fragrances that the neon colors can help counteract that. We'll see, but you know, I'm only doing half of the color, half of that fragrance, so I'm hoping it'll be okay. Also, because of the weight of the embeds, I'm going to pour off some to use in some individual holiday soaps. But I think I am ready to go, and let's go ahead and get started with this batch.